Good evening, everybody. Welcome to another video, and I'll be providing an update on the snowstorm that's going to be moving across the Midwest, Tennessee Valley, and Northeast from Friday through Monday. So beginning at 6 a.m. Friday morning, January the 14th, we have some moderate to heavy snow moving across North Dakota, eastern South Dakota, central southwestern Minnesota, and into Iowa. And as we head into 12 p.m. Friday afternoon, the snow is going to spread southeast across Iowa into northeastern portions of Nebraska. And by about 6 p.m. Friday evening, snow is going to spread through the entire state of Iowa into northwestern and central Illinois and into the Omaha area of Nebraska. And by 12 a.m. Saturday morning, we're going to start to see some heavy snow spread into the Kansas City area, into northern Missouri, into western Illinois. And then by about 6 a.m. Saturday morning, heavy snow spreads across areas of central, eastern, and northeastern Missouri, central and southwestern Illinois. Our low pressure dives into the Arklatex region, bringing some rain across Arkansas. And as we head into 12 p.m. Saturday, we could be seeing some very heavy snow across portions of central and southern Missouri, northwestern Arkansas, with some severe weather possible in the warm sector ahead of the cold front in portions of Louisiana and Mississippi. And by about 6 p.m. Saturday, a broad area of moderate to heavy snow exists across eastern Oklahoma, Little Rock northward, southeastern Missouri, southern Illinois, southwestern Indiana, and the western half of Kentucky, with some severe weather likely across portions of Alabama, possibly Tennessee, and the Florida Panhandle by this point, as the cold front surges across eastern Mississippi. And by 12 a.m. Sunday morning, snow begins to spread into western North Carolina, with heavy rain and possibly severe weather across portions of Alabama, Georgia, and the Florida Panhandle. Snow continues across Arkansas, Missouri, and southern Illinois. And as we head into 6 a.m. Sunday, the snow will begin to really spread across areas of the mid-Atlantic, with possibly some moderate to heavy freezing rain and sleet falling across portions of northern South Carolina and central North Carolina by 6 a.m. Sunday morning. Snow spreading into Virginia, West Virginia, and Ohio. And by 12 p.m. on Sunday, the freezing rain, sleet, and snow will spread up the East Coast, bringing some very treacherous and ugly conditions from northeast Georgia all the way through the Washington, D.C. area, with moderate to heavy snow falling across Indiana and Ohio and Kentucky. And by 6 p.m., the low pressure over the Midwest will weaken, but a new low pressure will take its place over North Carolina, and this is going to be where we enter the nor'easter phase of this event. Heavy snow spreading across Pennsylvania, Ohio, western Maryland, northern Virginia. Freezing rain possible across northern and western Virginia as well. And then as we head into 12 a.m. Monday morning, our low pressure is sitting at 991 millibars, very strong, possibly directly over Washington, D.C., bringing heavy snow to Pennsylvania, New York State, Vermont, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island. And notice this very tight pressure gradient. This indicates there's going to be very strong winds across these areas as well, possibly winds gusting as high as 40 to 60 miles per hour, and blizzard conditions across New York State, Pennsylvania. As we head into 6 a.m. Monday, low pressure deepens to 987 millibars across northeastern Pennsylvania. Very tight isobars moving across New England. You're going to be seeing those 40 to 60 mile an hour wind gusts, possibly blizzard conditions across Vermont, New Hampshire. Very heavy rain across areas of Connecticut, Rhode Island, and southeastern Massachusetts. And then towards noon on Monday, noon Central Time, so 1 p.m. Eastern Time, the snow spreads across Quebec, New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, Maine has strong winds spread across these same areas, and we're going to start to see some lake effect snow on the back side of this low pressure, now at 982 millibars across portions of Pennsylvania and New York State. And as we head into 6 p.m. Monday, the low pressure moves across southeastern Quebec with lake effect snow ongoing across Ohio, Pennsylvania, and New York off of Lakes Erie and Ontario. And then finally, the low pressure moves out of the area by Tuesday morning at 12 a.m. So let's take a look at projected snowfall totals to see how much snow you guys will be receiving. And taking a look at projected snowfall totals, we could be seeing anywhere between 6 to 12 inches of snow across North Dakota, South Dakota, Minnesota, and Iowa, mainly falling Friday night, early Saturday morning. Now, the model gets really excited with snowfall totals across areas like northern Arkansas, southeastern Missouri, southern Illinois, southwestern Indiana, and western Kentucky, putting as much as 12 to 24 inches of snow across these areas. I don't believe that you're going to be seeing that much snow, but snowfall totals of 6 to 14 inches I believe will be possible across these areas. Now we have another area of 12 to 24 inches of snow possible for areas such as western North Carolina, western Virginia, southeastern West Virginia. The model could be overdoing it a little bit on the snowfall totals there as well. I think more reasonable snowfall totals will be in the line of like 6 to 14 inches, possibly up to 18 inches in the Smoky Mountains. And then across the Northeast, about 6 to 12 inches overall, isolated spots of 15 inches, and then same across southern Indiana, Ohio, and eastern Kentucky, about 6 to 12 inches, and then about 2 to 5 inches across central portions of Illinois and Indiana. So overall, you guys are going to be seeing a ton of snow from North Dakota through areas of Missouri and Kentucky, especially across North Carolina and Virginia, all the way through Maine, Friday, all the way through next Monday. So get ready for snow. Stay weather aware. Stay safe, and have a wonderful afternoon.